Still here at the arena, ladies and gentlemen, and this matchup between Adamson and Perpetual is ongoing. We have found our Shakey's face of the day, and there she is. Nice smile from Yosh Rivera, 19 years old from Parañaque. And she is going to take home a pizza. Not really home, hindi na abot sa bahay yan eh.
She's gonna eat.
She's gonna eat it with her friends. Buti pa siya. So 16-9 right now. Adamson relentless here against Perpetual. Again, playing without Jane Manzano. That is a big blow.
Well, Adamson doing that with very good reception. About a 50% difference between Adamson and Perpetual, and service same. So all-around game for Adamson.
Argarin setting up De La Cruz. And De La Cruz never got that one across. And this is coming off a timeout, which will drive Mike Rafael crazy now. And once again, ano ba to? Week-long ba to? Week-long birthday greetings for Moy Moy Resurrection, Chief Audio Engineer at NBN, Sound Engineer, Audio Consultant, Shakey's V-League, President of the Republic of the Philippines. Dami na pinunta.
Gutom na ata to.
Noy-Noy pala yun, hindi pala Moy Moy. Okay.
Can somebody bring Noel some food?
18-10 now as De Los Santos cannot get that one across. That is your second service error of the day. And Pao Soriano now. Adamson.
Very comfortable. An 8-point lead. 18-10.
De La Cruz still scoreless. Bautista turned back that time, and Tubino gets the block point.
You know, Perpetual, they score a lot of points when they're blocking well.
Right.
That's Tubino to make mention.
Tubino and Diaz actually leading the charge there. She got a little help from Johnny Sabar that time. And Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Here's De La Cruz. Makatuno, combination, and then it just missed. That was a well-designed play there for Adamson. And Bautista just missed the line. So back-to-back points here for Perpetual. The positive sign for them at this point.
Well, you can't ask for anything more from Adamson. You're saying that was a good design play, but the execution lang medyo sumablay.
Just missing the corner that time. Makatuno. There are no words to describe that shot of Mikmik Laborte. Seriously.
Scoop? Let's try.
I can't.
Fast scoop.
Faye Guevara sees her first action here now para sa kumpuna ng Adamson, as Minerva Dulcepate tries to give exposure to some of her younger players. Mikmik with a reverse. Canela has to give this one up. Hirap expelengin kaya yung tira yun. And Guevara gets herself blocked again by Tubino.
You don't even want to try.
I don't know if there's a volleyball term for that one. Alam si Mikmik Laborte, sabi nga natin, she does a lot of things with a volleyball that we haven't seen before.
That's a beach volleyball player's experience for you.
Benting, that is just a perfect set from Nerissa Bautista to Angela Benting in the corner.
Well, very smart hit by Angie Benting. She saw Tubino in front of her. She hit it off Argarin. Or hit it through Argarin.
20-13. Laborte now. Abar. Argarin. Tubino. Makatuno. Benting. Yes.
One more time.
Boy, Benting was quiet in the first set. Now she is unstoppable in the second set.
She got her groove. Very smart. Look at Angie Benting. She knows where Tubino is, where Tubino's arms are, and she'll really just hit it off Argarin, but another substitution.
Well, the experiment is over for Mike Rafael. The captain, Kesh De Luna, comes back in for Argarin. Combination now for Sartin.
Good dig by Bautista.
Benting dropping that one. And Abar gives up a free ball. Makatuno. Then Guevara is denied. Makatuno, this time going to the captain. And the captain goes to Green Hills.
Well, she hit it out, but her approach was too quick. She found herself under the volleyball.
So 21-13. Lead is down to 7 for Adamson. Tubino. Makatuno on her horse, but the Guevara beats her to it. That is a free ball from Benting. And not anybody from Perpetual saw that one coming.
They were just literally standing there and watching that ball. It was so slow, even you could
Yeah.
have gotten it.
Hindi naman siguro. I would need my car. Guevara, first time to serve. It's a jump serve coming from the youngster. And De Luna has to attack. Makatuno. And Paulina Soriano makes it look so easy.
That's right. You know,
It's a rare smile also from Pau.
you're saying the poker face
Yeah,
girl.
wala na. Nahuling bluff eh.
But credit to Makatuno for those sets.
Timeout, Perpetual.
Kukunin mo yung Soriano.